slingshot,
tie your shoe.
pickleball,
It's almost a religion.
trillion shot.
Down in the kitchen. Grab a punch shot.
Playing doubles,
Ground stroke.
get you in trouble.
Overhead slam.
The pickle dome,
Mind your
or the
manners.
send you home.
Second serve.
Do not poach,
Topspin time.
being coach.
Don't hit the flapjack.
It's all the same,
Follow through.
and win the